Hi, it's Nihal here with another video, and in this video I'm just gonna walk you through the different settings that you need to set up. So once you're signed up, you're gonna get this page which is gonna say welcome to Shopify, where your your name, and your trial just started. So the thing is, unless you select a plan, they're not gonna let your customers check out from your store. So let's say even if you set everything up, nobody will be able to check out. So you have to choose a plan. Just choose the $29 plan, and also remember that you won't be billed till your trial ends. So just a pointer there. So first of all, let's just go through the general settings, which I'll be going through in this video. So here are the different settings that you're gonna get. First of all, in the store details, it's gonna be the store name, which you chose when you were about to sign up, and we chose Tyrant products. And the thing is, even if we change it, it's not gonna change the URL of your store. So let's just show you for this Tyrant products demo, and click on save. Just give it a second. I see, you can see that our store name changed, but the URL remains the same. So just remember that. And then the account email and the customer email, the differences are that this is the email that Shopify is gonna use to contact you, and this is the email that is gonna be available to your clients, as in the people who buy from your store. And after that, there's the store address, legal name of business. If you have an LLC set up, you can put it in there. But if you don't, if you're just an individual, just keep this thing as it is. And then the standards and formats, the time zone, the unit system pound, if you want to change that up, just keep it the same. But if you ever want to change the email, you can change it from here, the customer email or the account email. And that's basically it for this video. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set up your payments. And alright, I'll see you in the next video.